Sometimes I still think it's coming, but I know it's not. Trying to breathe in and then out, but the air gets caught. 'Cause even though I'm old and know and I know how to shake off the past, I wouldn't have made it if I didn't have you holding my hand.